Hi dears! Currently, we are in Tagbilaran, Bohol, here in Henan Premier Coast because I'm currently pregnant! And we're going to celebrate our baby moon. I'm currently 24 weeks now. So, ideally kasi dapat nasa ibang bansa kami not ideally naman, supposed to be sa international kami baby moon. Kaso, ang dami ko kasi naisip na, since I'm having twins, by the way, ang dami ko naisip na, what if may mga emergency na nangyari? Ganyan. That's why we chose na lang sa domestic na lang here in the Philippines. So, at saka wala akong international HMO and yung language barrier, inisip ko din yan. Mas madali kasi pag makipag-exchange ng conversation if kaparehas mo ng dialect yung tao. And at the same time, na within the Philippines lang, mas malapit siya tawagan kung sa doktor ko. And then, nag-iingat din ako, syempre. So, we were going to stay here for 3 days and 2 nights. Staycation, mga short trips lang. Usually, private tour na lang kami. Nag-book ako ng private tour para medyo malimit yung movement ko because I don't want to stress myself din during our baby moon. And it's our day 1 here. Super excited ako because I'm a first-time mom and this is our first baby moon before delivering the babies. So, I hope you will enjoy this video kahit na short trip lang ito. Thank you!
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue. Didn't think you'd look for me. Would it kill you just to make a move? Nothing good comes for free.
Ay, good for 3! Good for 3 siya. So, double bed at saka 1 single bed. Of course, flat screen TV. Smart TV siya. And our medium-sized vanity room. And ito yung couch. How's this? I'm so sure. There's the bathroom, my favorite part of the room. Ganda. Okay, toilet with bidet, of course.
Where did they say they put the toiletries? That was on the
Here. And then, may bathtub. Di ko na-expect na may bathtub yung room, ah. Thank you. We are in front of La Costa Restaurant here in Henan. Konting merienda lang kasi medyo nagugutom na kami. We ordered some chicharon bulaklak. Tapos mango, banana, and pineapple for me. And tequila sunrise for dear. And may nadaan kanina na nagbebenta ng manga. Looks yummy naman. Though it's 100 pesos pero reasonable naman kasi nasa may tourist spot. tapos na yung skincare natin. Dala ko dito yung maternity essentials. So, let's check it out. Of course, when traveling during baby moon, you should always bring your Doppler together with the lubricant. And syempre, hindi pa rin mawawala yung Mama's Choice na serum for stretch marks and also the cream. Meron pa akong ginagamit yung shea butter, pero masyado na kasing malaki, so hindi ko na dinala. Pero ngayon, magda-Doppler ako kasi medyo may mga ginala tayo konti ngayon. So, just to check out the heartbeat of the baby is very important to when traveling. Ayan. So, tapos na mga skincares natin ng abdomen. And matutulog na ako in a while. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na very important to bring some Doppler. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-Doppler, at least you need to count the fetal movements. Preferably, sa akin naman, may fetal movements naman talaga. Pero, mas assured lang ako na may heartbeat akong naririnig. It's not mandatory to bring one or to buy one. But if very keen ka maghanap ng heartbeat ni baby mo, especially magta-travel ka, you can just bring naman anything para ma-assure lang yung self mo. And then, tomorrow, may short travel lang kami prior the photo shoot. And, good night! Gusto ko lang may picture ng sun. For today.
Everyone is dressed up here, but looks so down. Lost in a room where my shadow
Hi dears! Good morning! So, day 2 here in Bohol. Before going sa private tour namin, kakatapos lang namin kasi mag-breakfast buffet. So, we want to make sulit of the amenities dito sa hotel. So, we will just have a short dip dito sa mga swimming pool nila. And I want you to see the view. Perfect mo. So, this is the infinity pool here in Henan.
out here with someone else. Honey, honey, with your eyes just taste so sweet. Honestly, honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend. Honey, honey, all your lies just taste so sweet. Concrete jungle where dreams are sold. But your lips are worth.
Ganda ng boat nyo, number 10? Number 10 ba kayo? Maganda yun.
Welcome to the Buff River Cruise. Tayo mag-lunch.
Yun.
Wow, Filipino food. Siya. Barbecue.
Filipino folk songs and dances. Let's welcome to some of Bansa performers.
Siya, no?
Makikita kaya?
Oh, doon po tayo. Doon po. May picture.
Okay. Arthur Tarsier. Nandito kami ngayon sa last stop namin, which is the famous Chocolate Hills in Bohol. So, dry season ngayon, that's why medyo may pagka-dark yung hills. Pero parang hindi nga eh. Parang may pagka-green kasi this past days, umulan din daw dito. So anyways, according from our tour guide and also validating from the internet, there are 1,260 official count ng Chocolate Hills. Pero others suggested na meron daw 1,700 plus. So the range is around 1,2 to 1,7 yung count ng Chocolate Hills. So ang daming tao dito. In front of me, yung viewing deck na sinasabi nila na sobrang taas, yun yung highest peak ng Chocolate Hills. But I cannot go upstairs since yung condition ko. I'm currently pregnant. So hanggang dito na lang ako dito sa may baba, sa may viewing deck din dito sa may area na to. For my safety, especially I'm pregnant. So here's the view of the Chocolate Hills. Okay. So ayan, yung partner ko, nakapila lang siya. I cannot see pero nandito lang. Nakapila lang kasi ang haba ng pila ng mga magpapapicture dun sa famous signage din nila na I love Chocolate Hills. So, the reason why nag-book kami ng another hotel kasi mas mura siya compared doon sa Henan. So, we don't want to spend that much luxury kasi para sa hotel since parang tutulugan lang namin to for tonight and then tomorrow we'll go back to our province na. Kaya, lumipat na kami dito sa malapit lang sa airport na hotel which is the Bohol Bay Resort. So we finished our 2 days and 2 nights sa Bohol for our little quick baby moon getaway. So right now we are in Manila and I'm asking for special assistance because you know naman, expectant moms, and ito lang siguro masasabi ko for mga expectant moms like me, that you need to enjoy being pregnant, especially if first time to, and then you can just also ask for special assistance sa airport para malimit din yung movement nyo. You can travel as long as walang mga emergencies or limitations na in-advise sa'yo ng doctor mo. So, I hope you like our trip for our quick baby moon, and I hope you like my video as much as I enjoyed filming and editing it.